This video is about the ice cream business package. I'm here right now in the Cebu Food and Beverage Show here in Cebu City, and I want to share with you an opportunity to create your own ice cream business. I came across here in this Family Choice, the artisan package for making ice cream. So this is how the package works. This is 89,000 pesos all-in package, and they guarantee you that you got a return of your investment for 3 months. This is a machine that costs 89,000, the soft serve ice cream machine, and with your 89,000, it says all-in package includes free artisanal powders, which is 8 kilos or 8 packs of 1 kilogram milky ice cream base, or 8 kilograms of any artisanal flavors. These are the flavors that they created, and you can also buy the flavors with them. So you can also have the free cone as your initial things to start your ice cream business. So this is actually the machine. No, I'm lactose intolerant though. So this is the soft serve machine that will cost you 89,000. For example, so that's the cone that comes free, and then that's the ice cream. Usually, how much ang retail, ana? 10 pesos. See, for just 10 pesos, you will have your soft serve ice cream business. So this is a great opportunity for you. They have a branch here in Cebu, or a distributor here in Cebu now. So for your 89,000 pesos, you can now own a soft serve ice cream business. So aside from the soft serve ice cream, they also sell you all this different flavored coffee. They also have here. Ako sang pagyonan sa. So these are all the dark chocolate flavor, classic pearl flavor.
We have also ice cream.
Yeah, that's what I'm promoting is the business. Ayaw, kay di ko mag-ice cream ga. Kay, no.
Milky.
Oh, no. I am lactose intolerant, so hindi ko okay ra. So these are the prices of the different powders that you can buy, like this Cafe Latte drink. That's only 195 per pack, and per pack is 1 kilo.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's already 1 kilo.
All these packs is 1 kilo.
So these are
coffee. Ang coffee lang natin is 200 grams.
so only the coffee is like it comes in 200 grams. So most of this is 1 kilo. But you can see that they are all very affordable.
Yeah,
all
this
of
is
their
the
things.
cost price.
Yeah, these are the cost price.
Then you can see it at 39 pesos.
They're also offering a coffee machine. Coffee machine ba?
We have no coffee machine. No
But,
need to equip machines of our products.
Okay.
Water and powder lang.
So there. These powders can also be used for your milk tea and
Ice cream.
coffee products. So this is how they do it on the background. You can see it there.
Pwede ni mo baligyan ako ng 39, di ba? Because the costing is really
So this is the people that you can contact here in Cebu City. And if you are interested in this business, you can contact Bernie. And the number is 0907-180-2841. I repeat, 0907-180-2841. And if you are interested in this 89,000 initial capital for a soft serve ice cream business that you can sell at retail price for 10 pesos per cone, then also you can contact Mr. Bon. This is the sales manager for Cebu City.
Yes, ma'am. For distribution.
And for distribution, if you're actually connected with Series Smart Summit. Okay, so His number is 0947-875-7784. 0947-875-7784.
Yes, sir. Ako pala, sir. Yung vlog name.
Sige, bilang.
So there you go. This is an opportunity for you, the family choice, the taste of home, artisanal powder mix, and the artisanal ice cream business. So you can have a coffee milk tea business and a soft serve ice cream business. For only 89,000 as your initial capital. So there you go. This is the 89,000 pesos initial business opportunity for you to have a soft serve ice cream business. So again, that includes 8 kilos of milky cream base, 8 kilos of artisanal flavors, and then 441 wafer cone, sugar cone, and also you can buy the product back from them. You know, if you are running out of the supplies, you can buy it. And also they deliver nationwide if you are from the provinces. So this is it, the soft serve ice cream for 89,000 pesos from artisanal coffee. Do you deliver provinces?
Depende sa province, ma'am.
Like Negros,
We
Mindanao?
actually have a distributor in Mindanao.
But how about if they buy it here, can you ship it to them?
Ang machine, additional.
Yes, ma'am. We can deliver and ship it.
Okay.